Welcome back to Tech Goods. Today, we're counting down the best washer machines of 2025 to help you tackle laundry faster and smarter. From top-load to front-load options, we've tested capacity, smart features, and energy efficiency to bring you only the top performers. Whether you want ultra-large loads, smart connectivity, or quick wash cycles, this list has it all. Stick around as we reveal our top 5 picks and where you can grab them online. The GE Appliances 4.5 cubic feet top-load washer in white, model GTW585BS-VWS, is a dependable and efficient laundry machine designed to make washing clothes simple and effective. Built with a stainless steel drum and 4 wash speeds, it offers multiple wash cycles such as normal wash, delicates, and whites, ensuring care for a wide range of fabrics. At its core is the dual-action agitator, which provides excellent circulation and turnover of clothes to deliver a deep clean while remaining gentle on fabrics. This washer includes convenient features such as the My Cycle setting, which allows you to save your preferred wash options for future use. The Deep Fill feature gives you full control of the water level, whether you need just a little extra or the maximum fill for heavily soiled loads. The Quick Wash cycle completes a wash in under 24 minutes using default settings, making it ideal for busy days. For tough stains, the Auto Soak option adds a pre-wash soak of up to 2 hours before moving into the wash cycle. The Soak Rinse feature helps reduce bacteria and odors, enhancing cleaning results. Customers appreciate its quiet operation, straightforward controls, and reliable performance. With a 10-year limited warranty and an available matching dryer, this washer is an excellent choice for long-lasting and hassle-free laundry care. The Samsung 5.3 cubic feet 3500 series. Smart top-load washer with active wave agitator, model WA46CG3505AVA4, is a modern, high-efficiency appliance built to handle large loads with ease while offering advanced smart features. Its spacious stainless steel drum and 10 preset washing cycles provide flexibility for all types of laundry, from heavy-duty items to delicate fabrics. The innovative active wave agitator is designed to reduce noise, vibration, and tangling while still delivering a deep, powerful clean. This washer includes Wi-Fi connectivity through the Samsung SmartThings app, allowing you to receive end-of-cycle alerts, remotely schedule washes, and troubleshoot directly from your smartphone. The active water-jet built-in faucet makes pre-treating stained or heavily soiled garments simple and convenient. For households that need extra water, the extra high water level option ensures thorough soaking and cleaning of every load. Other thoughtful design elements include a soft close lid for safety and convenience, as well as a self-clean cycle that keeps the drum fresh without the use of harsh chemicals. Customers will appreciate its quiet operation, large capacity that reduces the number of loads, and user-friendly smart features. The Samsung 3500 series washer is an excellent choice for families seeking efficiency, performance, and modern connectivity in one appliance. The LG ultra-large front-load washer in white, model WM3400CWU, is a high-efficiency, space-saving appliance that combines powerful cleaning with energy savings. With a 4.5 cubic feet capacity, this washer easily handles large loads, making it ideal for families or anyone with heavy laundry needs. Its Nevrust stainless steel drum ensures long-lasting durability while protecting fabrics from snags and wear. LG's innovative 6-motion technology uses up to 6 different wash motions, from powerful scrubbing to gentle swinging to deliver a deep clean tailored to your laundry type. The cold wash option provides warm water performance while using cold water, saving energy without compromising results. For added convenience, the speed wash cycle can refresh small, lightly soiled loads in just 15 minutes. This washer also includes advanced features such as the True Balance and low decibel systems for quiet operation and reduced vibration, making it suitable for main floor or second floor laundry rooms. With the Tub Clean system, maintaining freshness is simple, preventing odors and mildew buildup. The Sense Clean system automatically adjusts wash time and water level for efficiency, while Smart Diagnosis helps troubleshoot issues quickly. Backed by a 10-year limited warranty on the direct drive motor, this washer delivers reliable performance, efficiency, and convenience in one sleek design. The GE Appliances Smart 4.8 cubic feet Energy Star. Front-load washer with odor block, model GFW555SS and WWO, is a thoughtfully designed appliance that combines powerful cleaning performance with smart convenience and energy efficiency. With its stackable design and stainless steel drum, it fits seamlessly into modern laundry spaces while offering durability and long-lasting performance. This washer includes 5 wash speeds and a wide variety of cycles such as normal, delicates, sanitize, heavy-duty, whites, quick wash, and stain wash with steam, giving you flexibility for every type of fabric and soil level. The quick wash cycle refreshes lightly soiled items in just 20 minutes, while the time saver option delivers a complete and efficient clean in only 35 minutes. For added convenience, dynamic balancing technology helps reduce noise and vibration by automatically rebalancing uneven loads during the spin cycle, ensuring a quiet operation that is perfect for any home. Wi-Fi connectivity allows you to monitor and control your washer through the GE Smart HQ app, giving you the ability to schedule cycles and receive notifications right on your smartphone. Backed by a 10-year limited warranty and Energy Star certification, this washer is a reliable, efficient, and eco-friendly choice for tackling everyday laundry with ease. The LG Ultra-Large Capacity Front-Load Washer, model WM4000 HBA, combines sleek design, advanced technology, and powerful cleaning performance to make laundry day easier and more efficient. With a spacious 4.5 cubic feet capacity, this washer handles large loads with fewer cycles, saving time and energy. Its stainless steel drum is built to last while being gentle on fabrics, and the tempered glass door with rose gold accents adds a premium modern look. Powered by TurboWash 360 technology, this washer delivers a deep clean in under 30 minutes, making it ideal for busy households. Built-in AI technology automatically detects fabric type and load size, then selects the optimal wash settings for advanced care and efficiency. The steam function with the Allergene cycle, certified by the Asthma and Allergy Foundation of America, eliminates more than 95% of household allergens such as dust, pollen, and pet dander. Wi-Fi connectivity with the ThinQ app enables remote control, scheduling, and smart pairing, which communicates with your LG dryer to set a matching cycle. Quiet operation is ensured with the True Balance anti-vibration system, and the tub clean cycle keeps the washer fresh. Backed by a 10-year warranty on the direct drive motor, this washer offers dependable performance, energy savings, and intelligent fabric care.